damn blood. Buddy sent it just too hard, bro.
He's not ready, he's not ready, he's not ready.
Good morning, guys. It's your boy. We'll be outside today. I got my buddy Gabe with me. We got Nigel and Haley. They're over there still grabbing their food. But we outside today. We head into 2 meets back to back. You hear me? 2 meets back to back. We're heading to cool kicks and cars. And then we're going to Homestead Speedway to go to the track. I'm not tracking Stormy today, unfortunately. I wanted to do this car on the track. I feel like she would be an absolute track weapon. You guys give me enough likes, I'll take her to the track next time there is a track meet day. But today we're not doing that. But today we're just gonna go by. But seeing some cool cars. And there's Haley. So yeah, we outside today, boys. Oh shit. A little 400Z action, a little JDM morning for y'all boys. The 86 is the Supra and the 400Z. Nah, honestly, like, I love the 400Z. I love Z's in general, honestly. I wanted a 370, but the pricing at the time wasn't idealistic. Yeah. Yeah, man, it's just got headers. And then we got Haley looking clean too. Yeah. When she hooks, she hooks. Race car. Race car number 2. Nah, we having a good day today. I'm not gonna lie. It's gonna be a fun little car day. Update on the clutch. The CDV delete. It's been like 4 or 5 days now. 3 days maybe at most. Highly recommended CDV delete. I'm not gonna lie. Makes all my shifting way smoother. Like I said, like, it's just smoother now, you know what I'm saying? Not OEM smooth, but it feels great. That's all I have to say, bro. Like, it just makes everything just feel more user-friendly, I should say. It doesn't feel as mechanical. It feels fantastic. So 10 out of 10. Stage 2 manual Supra, I feel like, is an absolute track weapon. This car needs to see the track. He needs to see the bends, bro. He needs to see everything possible, if I'm being real. She is just on the floor, planted 24/7. She is not going anywhere but straight and where I fucking turn this wheel, you feel me? So honestly, and like, I feel like she's in that perfect power band for the track. Like I said, I don't have a dyno. Give me headlights on the video, I'll get a dyno too, you know what I'm saying? But when I get a dyno, I'm thinking we're pushing like 550, you feel me? I think 550s, 650s, like perfect track like numbers, you feel me? Not too much to OD the road, but just enough to like give you boost in and out those corners and like on the straightaways, you feel me? So I feel like this car would legitimately eat up the track. Like, watch this. Like, if I'm being so honest, the way this car legitimately eats this road, it's unprecedented that this car belongs on the track. Straight up left Haley and Gabe there. The 86s. Oh, Nigel texted me. I actually wonder what he said. Message driver mod. Y'all peep that? Ah, that was sick. I told y'all this car belongs on the track. This car belongs on the track. Yeah. Oh, I love him. I love it. Rolling on the highway, looking for adventure, but it never comes my way. Haley looks good rolling too. Haley recently got in an accident, just fixed up the whip, got a new one. She had an auto, now she got a manual 86. Nah, Haley looking clean, bro. She made her piece of her piece, you feel me? She's looking tough. Y'all check out Haley's YouTube too, bro. She be making some magic out there too. Check her out, check her out. Oh, that's Florida for you. Nah, it rained. It doesn't look like it's gonna rain long, honestly. It's just gonna be little showers here and there. But man, rain stopped the flow. That's so messed up, man. So messed up, bro. Especially on the one open part that I am supposed to be fucking downshift and popping and downshift and popping. You feel me? Oh, D. Uh-oh. We dried up now. DCT. That's crazy. Nah, if anyone said that CDV on German cars doesn't make a difference, they don't know. They actually do not know, because it's inevitable that it makes a difference. Like, I kid you not, like, I'm not that I'm floating through gears because my foot's on the pedal, you feel me? But like, I might as well be. That's how smooth it feels as I'm engaging in and out of these fucking gears. It's actually OD. See, look, now we're running into some rain again. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I got a patch of straightness for y'all boys, a patch of dryness. Then back to the rain. We got a Beamer, buddy? We got a Beamer, buddy? Yeah. That B58 action, baby. Here's a one in it. You don't want none. You don't want none. Hold on, I'm gonna pass him. I gotta let Gabe get out the way though. He's not ready. Touch me, baby. Even Gabe neck and neck with him, boy. Even Gabe neck and neck with him. Nah, he just can't drive. I'm playing. Oh, reel him in, then take off. Reel him in, then take off. What? Clearly, I'm lost. ¿Qué lo que, papi? Nigga, I don't see a single car. A single modded car is what I should say. Ah, there we go. Thank God. Go for it, shorty. Do your thing, girl. Okay. I kind of like her jazz. Damn, alright, we did it. They did it. They outside. We got the Dodson. What is up, my boy?
Good, brother.
How you doing, family?
I didn't know you guys were coming, so I would have saved some spots.
Bro, I'm not
There
tripping.
should be some spots down there.
Thank you, bro.
Just whatever you can.
right?
Hell yeah, family. Alright, so we outside now. Okay, so there's a turn up, you feel me? We got a nice little turn up. Oh, okay, I'm gonna park next to fam right here. Park next to squad. Had to park next to another Supra brother. Man's, I think that's RKI titanium. SP1 on RKI. I'm telling you, bro, everyone's making me tight that I don't got wheels. Unbelievable. I'm looking stock without wheels. Kind of annoying. Nah, we got a nice turnout. We got the Beamers out here. Of course, at the park next to the Beamer buddies. The Beamer buddies. No, you're good, you're good. I love the noses on this thing, man. Look at the intakes. That's tough. I saw this one the other day. This one's like one of the cleanest Sylvias I've seen, bro. I'm not gonna cap with you. Oh, look at the interior, bro. That shit's so clean. No, this is one of the cleanest Sylvias I've seen.
My God.
This thing sounds nasty. Seven-liter V8. Here at the track. It's actually about to rain outside. That's Florida for you. But we outside. We got some cool rolls from my boy. Shout out to my boy right here. Bro, we here. Oh, one more time for me. One more time. One more time. One more time. My boy Frushi's got a muffled delete. One more time. Damn, okay. We got 3 Supras. Stock, Frushi, and then me. Damn, bro. Nah, I just having fun. Aren't you having fun? Is it in sport? Is it in sport?
Yeah.
Damn. You were having fun, weren't you?
Yeah, I was trying to get it to park. I was trying to get that Sid special, you know?
Damn, blood. Buddy sent it just too hard, bro. Full send is nuts. Full send is nuts. What even is it?
Honda Fit.
That makes all the airbags and everything. That's just total, bro. Just total. What a beaut. What a beaut. The positives. What a beaut of a whip right here. Whew. Golly. We've been waiting for hours to see the people go on the track. It was freaking pouring rain, as you guys can see. But we're about to be out there.